Okay, another interesting one where we say breaking news: the Western High Court have have, have dismissed the application by Jabulani Khumalo in a bid to say, please don't remove me, reinstate me as the party leader or of the role. And I said it on my other video, and I said to myself, how do you think you're going to win this one? How do you think you're going to win this one when you know for a fact that you have already lost this one? And I did say, to me, it doesn't make sense on how these applications are launched. Because for me, I would have waited for the Electoral Court to rule on the matter, read the judgment, out of the judgment, then act. But if you've got money as well, look, you would have done exactly what Jabulani has done. But if you ask me, I criticized that move, and I said, I'm not a lawyer, I'm not a legal expert, so don't expect me to give you a legal opinion. No, I'm just giving a general opinion. But yeah, the gist of the matter, because the gist of the matter is about Jabulani Khumalo applying, doing an application, trying by all means necessary to hang on as an MK party leader. Even though when you listened to the arguments, you could tell, man, these people does not have an argument. I don't understand what they are bringing before court. These people does not have an argument. Does not have an argument at all. Like, have you listened to the argument? Yeah, my lawyers got Jabulani. Like, you can tell there's no argument here. Like, you can tell, but there's another thing that I know you can tell that there is an argument on, and it is this. If you are not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, good people, because to subscribe it is free, to like the video it is free, to comment in the comment section below it is free of charge, to click the notification bell it is free of charge, to share this video it is free of charge, to watch this video until the end it is free of charge. Also, good people, come on, to watch the ads, it's free of charge, and that's how you financially contribute to this YouTube channel. Speaking about financially contribution to the channel, you can become a member of this YouTube channel from as little as 20 Rand a month. You can also use the Super Thanks button. In case you don't want to do that, guys, there is a way where you can use my media company banking details to donate to the channel. And you know what I'm saying? We'll bring you more, and also guys want to buy more equipment. So the power is in your hands. Please do the honorable thing as we proceed. Okay, so with that being said, look, we can safely say that the Western Cape High Court has struck MK Party founding member Jabulani Khumalo's bid to be reinstated as the party leader. Struck that off the roll, saying, Mr. Khumalo, please, my man, please, get out of that. You are not a member of MK Party anymore. Just make peace with that. I'm trying to read some of the comments that were made after that. So I'm trying to look at the comments that people made. But again, what do you make me? For me, where I was seated, the Electoral Court has already made a ruling on the matter. The Electoral Court has already said that you are not a member. In fact, if you read the Electoral Court judgment, they are saying you are wasting our resources. You are wasting court's time. You are also wasting the respondent resources, money and time. Therefore, we dismiss the case with the cost. Sending a message. And on top of that, they are saying you are lying under oath. And that's a serious crime. And I've already, look, there's a video that's coming where MK Party, they said that they've approached their lawyers. they will explore some ways on how they're going to prosecute him. Now, you will remember that as well. Tutuzile Zuma has also confirmed that she is going to take legal actions against this man, Jabulani Khumalo, because he had accused her of forging a signature Khumalo, right? So you can tell that there is mounting legal legal challenges that are coming towards the men's way to say, listen, you are going to face this. You are going to deal with a lot of things. Right now, MK parties confirmed on a separate letter that they will pursue legal actions against him. Duduzile Zuma confirmed on a separately that she did not speak under MK. She speaks separately, and she says, I've approached my lawyers. So you've got these two parties that wants to prosecute him. I'm saying, we are seeing that. So after reading that, I wasn't expecting this court to come to a different conclusion. Like, honestly speaking, I was not expecting that court to come to a different conclusion. And also, as you yourself, as you were listening to the argument brought by the lawyers, I want you to tell me that, were you convinced? Sometimes even if I'm not supporting you, but your arguments must give me, your arguments, for instance, it must give me something that is, I call it, I don't know how best can I call this. Your arguments must give me something. Your arguments must what can I say? Your arguments, as an opponent, I must feel that, you are coming up with something powerful, something, you know what I'm saying? That is what I need to feel on my end. But I was listening to the arguments made by the lawyers there on, and I was like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? I kind of feel like, this one does not make sure. This one is not going to stand the test of time. Like, I did not feel that, you are bringing something that is going to stand the test of time, something that is going to shake people, something that is going to shake the judges. For the fact that you argue that case in the morning and the judge tells you that, okay, remember that Electoral Court, they went there, they argued, they took their time to make the decision. But in the Western High Court, he argued the case today. They stopped around 12 p.m. The judge says, 2:15, I will issue a judgment. 2:15, issue such a judgment. It shows how easy that case was. Right there, you can tell how easy it was for this person to come to a conclusion. So with that being said, I'm saying to say, guys, what did you make about the arguments? Look, the arguments from the legal team. Did they present something that you kind of felt like, oh, yeah, you want to learn? They're coming up with a point. This point. This. Did you feel that as they were arguing? Me personally, I didn't feel that. What's your take about that? And then again, the other part that I'm interested to tell you is that you can tell that this guy, the people who are funding this guys have got money. So listen to the judgment, the Electoral Court judgment, and look at the fact that the Western High Court has dismissed the case, and then combine the two. Do you think that he stands a chance of taking this matter all the way up to the Constitutional Court? Because you can tell that there are people funding this man to do whatever they want to do, right? Do you think that they stand a chance, or we will see him appealing and appealing and appealing? But if I were to tell you, I'm looking at him personally, I kind of feel like I will not be shocked if we are hearing that he has appealed the matter and appealed the matter and appealed the matter and appealed the matter, even though the arguments that is submitting they don't stand a chance. It can't be that two different courts come to one conclusion that you are not a member of the MK party.